हेलो बच्चों, ये हैं हमारे कलर्स। टुडे वी लर्न कलर्स एंड अल्फाबेट्स एंड काउंटिंग्स। लेट्स लर्न। दिस इज green color, red color,
ABCD,
yellow color, blue color, orange color, black color. Now alphabets. This is red color. A for alligator, A for angel. Green, B for banana. C for crocodile. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. G for guava. H for hand. I for ink. J for joker. A for L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for papaya. U for queen. R for rabbit. S for sweets. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. These are alphabets. Now countings. This is pink color. 1. ये है 1. 1 के बाद आता है 2. ये है 2. 3. ये है 3. 4. This is 4. 5. ये है 5. 6. ये है 6. 7. This is 7. ये है 7. 8. ये है 8. 9. ये है 9. ये है 9. And the last is 10. 1 0 10. ये है 10. 1 to 10 counting and A to Z alphabet. ये है counting alphabets. बाय बाय बच्चों।